click on the select area again in this option. Okay, you are again selecting this and you are going to select the area. So I'm going to select like this. This is the area which I need to make presentation or video on. So I clicked on that and I selected the area. Leave it. After selecting, leave it. Now you can start recording your audio. Already audio option is on, so you need not press on that further. You just have to press on the recording button. Now you will start introducing your topic. So this is just a sample which I'm going to show you. On my topic, I'm just going to start with the topic marketing research. Under that, a secondary research, quantitative and qualitative data. So like this, you will be introducing your topic, and after that you will move on to the different lessons included in that. At lesson 1, that is on market research, lesson 2, importance of marketing, lesson 3, market segmentation, and so on. After that, I'll be showing students on the starter activity. So here it is like find out jumble words and write in your book. So this is how it is. They'll be self-checking it and you will have to give them 2 minutes. After that, the probable answers are shown. And then moving on with the lesson objectives, success criteria, keywords, activity, then a small description of our topic. Then again a small activity, then the answers for it. Last, you end your presentation with plenary, curriculum links, assignments, which can also be posted in your Google. Then moving on, the lesson progress, I'm just showing it. This is one way in which you can do your screen recording only by using PowerPoint presentation. To know further, I'll be doing that in the upcoming videos, which will be there in my channel. So I hope all these steps would be helpful for you to create your video lessons. If any further doubts, you can post comments under the video, which will be replied as soon as possible. Now, catch you up for the next video. Until then,